It's day four of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill. I'm so glad you're here, and this is so exciting. Okay, so we are going to open day 4. I am also going to guess at the next one, and I'm going to give you a warning, and then I'm also going to talk about the value. And let's get started. Okay, so day 4 is a box, and I said yesterday it felt squishy, maybe round. So let's see what's in it. All right, here we go. See, I could have peeked. It wasn't even taped shut. I did not peek though. What is this? It's like a plate. It is plates. It's plates. Okay. Interesting. Okay, let me see. Let me take the little papers out between them. Okay. It's a set of 4 plastic plates, like melamine type thing. I think that's what it's called. They're really cute. They'd be adorable hanging on the wall, like with plate hangers. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about these. I like this color. That's pretty. I don't know. This is the first one though that I'm kind of like, meh, you know, for the item, and I'm not gonna love them all. That's the way it is. And I'm not saying I don't love these. I gotta think about it. And hopefully tomorrow I'll have, I don't know, a use that I'm going to use these for. I mean, I do use trays a lot, so these could be little trays. You could eat off of them too. So they're cute. Tell me what you think. They're cute. Interesting. All right, so I am going to guess the next package for day 5 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. If you don't want to see, fast forward ahead. I'll put timestamps in here too, so you can skip ahead if you want to too. All right, here it is. It's coming. I'm going to show it. It's weird. It's very odd. Very, very light, like really light. I don't want to push too hard. There's a base down here. Something plastic. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. If you have any guesses, let me know. Interesting. Can't wait. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about value. So if you don't want to see that, you can just, this is your warning. All right, so I have a cheat sheet here on this just so I can remember everything. We're getting to that point. Day 1 was $11. Day 2 was $17. That brought us to $28. And day 3, I'm putting it $8. The reason I'm using 8 is because on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website, they have the magic pins with the flat head for a pack of 100 for $16. So for 50, I'm gonna say $8, right? Makes sense. That brings our grand total to $36, which I think is fantastic for this box. I mean, already we're at 36 bucks and we're only on day 3. We're doing great. I paid $179.95 for this box. That brings our total down to, or value, or what's left, value that should be left in the box at $143.95. I am so excited about tomorrow. I'm gonna still think about these plates, see how I feel. I also have a running total going on my website, on my blog. I'll link that below in the first comment so you can check it out and see where we're at, and I update that daily as well. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.